What's up, everybody? It's me, the Dukes, and today we're going to take a look at my rig and my setup and see exactly how it works. Let's get to it. So here it is in all its glory. I've got my TV that I use as a monitor and my streaming rig. Here's my keyboard, mouse, and my headset. And let's get into a little details. Alright, so this is my streaming rig. It's a Dell Inspiron. I got it from my friend. It's stock. Came from him. He worked at a call center, and this is where the Dukes gets his 1080p 60 frames per second output when he streams. This is it. I already unscrewed the screws in the back here, as you can see, and let's crack this thing open and see what it's like. Hold on. Alright, so now we're inside that Dell. Yeah, I mean, for a stock PC straight from you know, being a call center, it works really, really well. I can't complain. You know, and this is what we have, and this is the hard drive. We've got some wires that go into the power supply, and yeah, I mean, it works. Like I said, free Dell Inspiron from a call center. I mean, I would have thought it would have been a little bit different, but hey, let's close this puppy back up. All right, let me just put this case back on here. Hold on. There we go. Oh. And we'll screw these in. But next, what we're going to go on to is I'm going to talk a little bit about good airflow and wire setup. Where's that other screw? Here it is. So if you can see while I'm putting the screw in that my cable management is pristine. I paid a tasker on TaskRabbit quite a bit of money to organize these cables, and I cannot complain. I mean, this is absolutely amazing. So I highly recommend TaskRabbit. Let me get a better picture here for cord management and getting everything good and done here. And I would do the same. All right. Next, I want to talk a little bit about my webcam. This is a flip video. This is 4K Ultra HD, 300 frames per second. The best thing about this was one of the last flip videos they made, and it's actually wireless. So what happens is if you press this button here, this antenna pops out, and it sends the signal up over into this antenna here, and then into the TV, and then into my computer, and that's how you see the Dukes' lovely face. So I recommend getting one of these bad boys as well. 4K 300 frame per second flip video. Now we're going to go ahead and talk about the console I use. Now my Xbox is obviously hidden because I had that professional wire guy come in. So let me show you the importance of airflow. Here, go down here. There's my controller. I keep it out of my pig's way. She'll eat it. And like I said, professional cords. He organized this thing. There it is. This is the money maker right there, guys. You see it? All its glory. Xbox. Now, if you look, I also have the capture card down here. It's here it is. It's right here. There it is. And this captures all the video game play and everything. And yeah, I mean, we're good. This is perfect. This is how you want your setup to be. You know, this is top of the line. And last but not least, my headset has a built-in. This is a condenser mic, and it's made by Blue, I think. It's either Blue or Rode. I'm not sure. It's pretty decent. I sound pretty well. I mean, but with filters, anything sounds good. Anyways, that's my setup. All right, and then I want to show off my G Fuel collection here. No streamer, or stream is complete without a G Fuel tower, you know, Pogs, Kappa, all that jazz. This one's a pretty good flavor. That's my setup, and I want to thank everyone for stopping by. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. Also, follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv/Freud_Dukes. And you can follow me on Twitter too. Stay up to date when I'm about to post videos or anything cool like that. And yeah, so now you know how it is. And I will also say that this beard, I look good here. Anyway, yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Till next week. Hit stop.